You want to create a YouTube channel and start earning money from it, but you're not sure where to begin? Don't worry, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll walk you through the steps to create the perfect YouTube channel. Before diving into YouTube, let me give you a suggestion. Create a new Gmail account. Why? Well, if you use your old Gmail, which may have been shared with others or is not as secure, there's a risk of your channel being hacked in the future. So it's safer to start fresh with a brand new Gmail account. Now let's not waste any more time and get right into it. I'll show you step by step how to create a new Gmail account, and then I'll show you how to create a perfect YouTube channel. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Click on this profile icon and then click on Add New Profile. You'll see a pop-up menu. Here, click on Sign In, then click on Create Account and choose for my work or business. If you want to try a professional email, click on Try Google Workspace, but I'll choose a Gmail address and click on it. You'll see this interface. Now, you need to enter your first and last names, then click on the Next button. Enter your date of birth and choose your gender. Then click on the Next button. Google will suggest some emails available based on your first or last name. You can choose one of these. If you want to create your own Gmail address, click on Create Your Own Gmail Address. For now, I'll choose from the suggestions. Then, click on the Next button. You need to set a login password for your email, which should include at least one number and one symbol. Then, click on the Next button. Google will ask for your phone number for verification. Enter your phone number. Make sure it is working because Google will send a verification code to it. Click on Next, then enter the verification code Google sent to your phone. Click on Next, then click on Skip. Google will display your account info, so read it and click Next. You'll then see the Google Privacy and Terms interface. Scroll down and click on I agree. After that, Google will ask if you want to set up business settings. If you want to set this up, you can watch a tutorial video on YouTube. For now, I'll click on Not Now. You can now see that your email is successfully created. Next, let's see how to create a YouTube channel. Search for youtube.com and hit the Enter button. Once YouTube is open, click on this profile icon and select Create a Channel. You'll see this interface where you need to add your channel name and handle, which helps viewers find your channel. After that, click on Create Channel. Now your YouTube channel is ready. But wait, we need to do some important settings that most people miss. Click on Customize Channel, then YouTube will welcome you to YouTube Studio. Click on Continue, then go to Settings and open the Channel tab. Set your country of residence, then add keywords that will help your channel rank better. I'll add my channel name in different variations so that people searching with minor errors can still find it. Next, add your YouTube channel category to help YouTube detect your niche. Go to Advanced Settings. Here, choose your channel's target audience. If your channel is made for kids, select the appropriate option. If not, choose the other option. I'll choose this one. Scroll down and check the option that allows everyone to use my videos. Next, go to Feature Eligibility. Enable the second option. Click on it to verify your phone number. After verification, you can upload videos longer than 15 minutes, use custom thumbnails, and live stream. Click on Verify Phone Number. You'll see this interface where you can choose between call and SMS options. I'll select SMS. Choose your country, then add your phone number and click Next. Google will send an OTP to your phone number. Enter the OTP here and click on Submit. Now, you can see that the phone number is verified and intermediate features are enabled. Finally, click on the Save button. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips on growing your YouTube channel.